Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How Logical. Today I will guide you on how you can get logged into your Verizon Wireless account. I will walk you through in the process step by step, so make sure to follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. Now before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and turn on the notification so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's move on to the video. Firstly, open up any web browser on a PC and on the URL bar, search for verizon.com and press enter on a keyboard. Once you tap on the enter button, you will directly taken to its official homepage. Now in the homepage, you will be able to see the sign in button at the top right of your screen. Now tap on that sign in button, and once you tap on it, an expanded menu will be appear on your screen. Now from here, you have to click on sign into my account. And there you will be taken to its login page. Now if you're a new customer here, then you have to firstly tap on this create new account link to create a new account for you. Now if you have created and registered your account already, then you have to type in your user ID or your Verizon mobile number. Now if in case you have forgotten your user ID, you have to tap on forget info option. Now once you're done with typing in your user ID, tap on continue button. Once you tap on continue button, password field will be added on the box. Now type in your password correctly. You can tap on this show button to reveal and confirm your password before moving on. Now if you want these credentials to remember by the system, then you can tick this square box. But if in case you're using others or shared device, then make sure to uncheck or leave this box as it is. And now tap on sign in button in order to get logged into your Verizon account. Now that's all it takes to get logged into your Verizon account. Now if this video helped you out, don't forget to like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.